Team, I got us a new air fryer. We're gonna try it on the channel. The Kismile 360 visibility air fryer. Guys, this is a cool little air fryer. I think you're gonna wanna check it out. Now, we reviewed plenty of air fryers on my channel, so I figured why not invite another one into the mix. Now, this Kismile air fryer, it's kind of in a direct competition with a more well-known air fryer that has glass visibility from a major brand, but this one works just as well, has just as many components, and is $40 cheaper. And with my code down in the video description, it'll save you another 20%. So this one might be worth checking out if you're in the market for one of those other 360 visible air fryers, okay? Now, as we go through and unbox this thing, you'll see that it comes with 2 glass containers, 2 lids, and 2 crisper trays. And then you got that actual air fryer unit that sits above the containers. You got non-toxic cooking because this is the glass container, no Teflon, no PFAS, any of that nasty stuff that you don't want in a cooker, right? Guys, this is small, compact. It's perfect for dorm rooms, for RVs, small kitchens, all that stuff. The one thing that I think is cool about this is that it has the lids that store, kind of like Benito box style. For me, when I test out an air fryer, I always do wings. The first thing I always cook in an air fryer, any of my air fryers, are wings. We did that on this cook. And when I went to sauce up my wings, all I did was put them back into the glass container, put all my goodies on there, and then threw on the lid, shook it up, and you got instant coverage on your wings, no muss, no fuss. All the components except for the actual air fryer lid are dishwasher safe. You know me, in my house, I am the dishwasher. I prefer to get in there and make sure that things are really clean and not trust it to a machine. So, but if you're into that, these are dishwasher safe. So like I said, the first cook in any air fryer I get is wings. So with these wings, these are just simple little party wings. All I did was get a little salt, little pepper, and then threw them in the air fryer. Now, this Kismile air fryer has 5 different settings, not necessarily like temperature gauges, but it breaks down what each means. So it's re-roast, roast, deep roast, keep warm, and then broil. For this one, we're using the deep roast because it gives you the max amount of temp for the max amount of crispiness. And I like a crispy wing. And to switch between the modes, you're just gonna hit that little M button, you know, tap, tap, tap until it gets to the mode you want. For the roast feature, it gives the food a little bit of crispiness, a little bit of crunch at high temperatures with little or no oil. Re-roast, just make sure it's more golden brown, more flavorful. Use after the roast function, right? The deep roast is like the deep fry your food, and that's why I did that with the wings. It's the highest heat, gives it the ultimate crisp. And it's good for when you're putting your frozen foods in there. So we could have took these wings from frozen all the way done, and this would have been the mode I use it on. The broil is to lock in more of the juices in your meats, keep the original flavor of what you're cooking in there. And then the keep warm function is, you know, pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna use it when you've already cooked something and you wanna keep it warm. Pretty simple, right? Each mode has a preset timing on there, but if you need a little bit more, just hit that time button, a little plus or minus, and you get you where you want to be. For me, I like to cook my wings for 20 minutes. The default on the deep roast was 18, so I clicked it up a couple of notches, got it to 20 minutes. Like I said, with these wings, we got them in there. We started them off with skin side down, gave it 10 minutes, and then gave it a flip, finished off the other 10 minutes, getting that skin side nice and crispy and brown. And what's cool is while this is cooking, you have that 360 view. So I got to watch it roast all the way around. It's not like just shutting the drawer in an air fryer. You can't see really what's going on. With this, you can see if you're not getting brown enough, or if you're getting too brown, you don't want to burn your stuff, right? So the 360 view, awesome feature. And again, when you're using a normal air fryer, you're shutting that drawer, you don't know what you're coming out with until you open it up, right? This, see it all the way through. So my impressions of this so far is it's a great little air fryer. It's, like I said, perfect for small spaces, for the RV. We got a couple kids in the dorms right now. I'm gonna get a couple of these and send it with them because that's why I know at least they're not eating that cafeteria food at the dorm. We can get them some fresh foods to put in there, even though I know they're just gonna wanna cook some nuggets in it. But I do my best to get these kids fed. So, yeah, as a parent, what else can you do, right? But guys, this is definitely something that's gonna stick in my arsenal for an everyday little cooker, for healthier cooking options. and little smaller portions, all that stuff. And guys, we're in the middle of football season right now. This is perfect for the wings. Like I said, once we got them all tossed up, the wings were tasty as can be. Nice crisp. That sauce that we kind of mixed up in there with the hot honey, the barbecue sauce, and that barbecue rub was perfect for these wings. Perfect little game day appetizer style, right? So definitely, if you're looking for your little game day eats, having a little air fryer like this makes it a lot easier. And guys, I'm not gonna eat all these wings right now. So I'm gonna throw them in the smaller glass dish, throw that lid on, get them in the fridge. It's just another cool feature of this air fryer. But guys, this is where we finish up this video. If you have any more questions that I didn't cover for the Kismile air fryer, throw them in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you wanna get one of these, it's available on Amazon. There is a link down below with also a 20% off coupon code. So make sure you use that at checkout. Don't miss out on the savings, right? Otherwise, that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.